Here's how to update all the apps on your iPhone. Sometimes these things do not automatically update. In fact, pretty much they never do. So you'll want to go into the App Store on your iPhone. And once you're in there, you're going to click on your profile picture in the upper right. And then we scroll down a little bit and we're going to see our updates area, or our automatic updates, quote unquote, right? And so you can click the update all button, but most of the time when you get in here, it's not even going to show them all. So what I would do is probably go up to the top and kind of pull down from your screen until you get that little loading icon, and then let it go back and it will load up any new apps that have updates. Then we scroll down, we see we have, actually I think YouTube just popped up here. So we can click on update all, or we can update individual apps if we want. We tap update all, and now all of the apps that were in that dropdown are going to start to update. You'll see them all here. You'll see them on your home screen as well, updating too. And so, I mean, that's the way that I do it anyway. I just come into the App Store, I pull down on the screen to make sure I refresh the page, and then I click the update all button or update specific apps. And that's how you can update all the apps on your iPhone.